And you're charged with the offense of theft, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. In 2023 CR 2080A, State of Texas versus Shawana Canales. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the state, sorry.
Judge, Jason Garahan.
For the defense?
Robert Barron, Kelly.
All right. And are you Shawana Canales?
Yes.
Do you have any objections to Mr. Barron standing in for Ms. Green?
No.
All right, state any objections?
No.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Canales, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication, community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did
Yes.
you sign it?
Yes.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft, $2,500 to $30,000? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Been able to assist in her defense. I believe she understands the proceedings against her and that she's confident that.
All right. Do you believe she was sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Canales, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration NIBAG number 711174. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 140 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Clifton Smith. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
court does not have to follow those?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, ma'am.
State any evidence?
State Office State Executive number 1 with all its attachments, Your Honor.
There's no objection, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Preferably, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask that the court follow the plea bargain.
All right, Ms. Canales, what is your relationship to Alejo Aguirre?
None, ma'am.
So why were you with him?
I know him from down the street where I was living at, and he had asked me if he could place a set of tires at the residence. So I agreed. I went with him to go pick up, and what ended up him picking up tires ended up him picking up a stack of some pellets, like those wood pellets, and that was the reason of the arrest, because he didn't have permission to pick those pellets up.
All right. Are you employed?
No, ma'am, not at the time.
When's the last time you were employed before being taken into custody?
In 2011.
All right. Why have you not worked since 2011?
Mental issues,
All right. What are your mental issues?
schizophrenic and bipolar.
And have you received a professional diagnosis of that?
Yes, I was on medication before in the past. I just stopped taking my medication for a while.
Are you on medication at the jail
Yes.
for the schizophrenia and bipolar?
Stabilized.
Do you have any children?
I have 3,
What are their ages?
24, at 23, and then I have a 15-year-old.
All right. Where's the 15-year-old?
My 15-year-old's outside the.
Okay. And I'm assuming school's not in session.
And then, I'm sorry.
They're enjoying summer.
And then my son is at the.
Background judge.
Okay. So if you're released, do you have a place to stay?
Yes, ma'am.
And who would you be staying with?
A friend of mine.
Who is this friend?
Ezekiel Angel.
How long have you known this
I've
person?
known him for all my life, like since my daughter was born. He's her uncle.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is. I'm sorry. Is there any questions from anyone else?
So judge.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, 140 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for parenting classes. Once she completes the parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed to be satisfied.
I don't have custody of the children, but I mean, I'll still do that.
Well, I mean, your 15-year-old is here for some reason,
Oh, I'm sorry.
right?
No, yes, I'm sorry. No, I'll do the class. Though.
Okay.
I'm
Nope.
sorry.
Oh, no, there's no problem. I'd like for people to speak so I can figure out what's going on. There's to be no contact with Clifton Smith or Alejo, Alejo Aguirre.
Now, this is where things get very real. The judge is layering supervision, treatment, and monitoring all at once. This isn't just about staying out of trouble, it's about proving she can stay consistent under pressure. Do you think strict? Supervision actually helps people turn their lives around, or sets them up to fail.
Taking consideration NIMAG number 711174. I'm going to want a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, and I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And probation, once she is with Center for Healthcare Services and they've given her a case manager, then the court will consider lifting the field visits 1 time per month. All right, probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court?
The TAP evaluation, am I able to take the TAP evaluation out on the free world or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So why do you think you need the TAP evaluation?
Well, it was in hours.
Recommended by the state.
Okay. All right. And I'm sorry, we're going to do proof of employment with proof of employment or SSI within 45 days. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And I'll allow her to do the TAP evaluation out of custody. you need to make sure you make your TAP evaluation appointment. If you don't make that appointment, then what's going to end up happening is I'm going to receive notice that you haven't made that appointment and a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. And we'll follow whatever the TAP recommendations are. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
And just
Court
like
is-
that, it's final, no appeal, no second chance in court. Everything now depends on what she does next outside these walls. One mistake, and this deal could completely fall apart. So what do you think? Was this a fair second chance or too much risk for one person to handle?